Hey, you look big. Oh, thanks, I've been working out. Hey, listen, is it obvious I'm wearing 6 sweaters? Yeah, but it's not obvious why. Well, like, I'm breaking up with Katie. So I had to put on some extra padding. If she hits me when she's happy, can you imagine how worse she's gonna hit me? When I tell her I'm taking away the Joey love. Hey, cute jacket. Oh, thanks. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Did Joey tell you to say that? Your guy is too much. Oh, wow. Oh. You know what? I gotta tell ya. I think you're the one that is too much. Oh, Joey has the nicest friends, and the nicest girlfriend. Oh, you're so sweet. Oh, you're so sweet. Ow! Joey? She just kicked me. Oh? Well, are you gonna do something?